Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematisha. So proceeding with the lecture 1, we are going to continue with the equation of circle in two different cases again. First case when we will be given 3 points on a circle, and second case when we will be given endpoints of a diameter of a circle. So let's see. If we are given just 1 point, we can draw infinitely many circles passing through that 1 point. Similarly, from the 2 given points, we can also draw many circles. But when we are given 3 points on a circle, then it gives us precisely one unique circle. So first of all, with the help of an example, we will understand how we will find circle passing through 3 given points. So let a circle passes through the 3 points 1, 0, 0, 1 and minus 1, 0. Find the equation of circle. So let us say let equation of circle is given by the general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Since it passes through 1, 0, so put x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. We get 1 plus 0 plus 2g plus 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0, or 1 plus 2g plus c equal to 0. Let's give it equation 1. Next, it passes through 0, 1 also. So we put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So we get x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That is 1 plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 2. Again, it passes through the third point minus 1, 0. So put x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 0. Then x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That is 1 minus 2g plus c equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now we do equation 2 minus equation 1. That is 1 plus 2f plus c minus 2g plus 1 plus c equal to 0. So this gives us 2 times f minus g, because 1 will be cancelled with this 1 and c will also be cancelled, equal to 0. That is f is equal to g. Now we do 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 3 is 1 minus 2g plus c and 1 is 1 plus 2g plus c equal to 0. That is 1 is cancelled with 1, minus 2g becomes minus 4g, c is cancelled. So it gives me g is equal to 0. Also we have done here that f is equal to g. So if g is 0, f is also 0. Put f is equal to 0 and g is equal to 0 in 1. So we get 1 plus 2g plus c equal to 0. That is c is minus 1. So required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0, or x square plus y square equal to 1. Now we will understand that how this question can be done in a few steps while using the options if we are attempting it as a multiple choice question. So let us suppose we are given the same points 1, 0, 0, 1 and 0, minus 1. We have to find the equation of circle passing through these 3 points. And we are given these 4 options. So first thing we have to do is put x equal to 1 and y equal to 0 in all the 4 options. when I am putting in 1, x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. I get 1 minus 1, 0 square 0 plus 0. I get 0 equal to 0. Move to the next option. We get 1 minus 1, 0 square 0 plus 0 minus 1, 1 square 1. So we get 1 equal to 1. Correct? Next option. 1 minus 1 whole square, that is 0, plus 0 minus 1 whole square. So here we get 1 equal to 0, which is not true. So this option is wrong. Last, 1 square plus 0 square is 1. So we get 1 equal to 1. Now I have cancelled one of the options. In the remaining 3 options, put x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. From the second part, x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So when I put it, I get 0 minus 1 whole square, that is 1, plus 1, that is 2 equal to 0, which is not true. So it cancels. Again 0 minus 1 whole square 1, plus 1 minus 1 whole square 0. So it is 1 is equal to 1. Let's leave it. Last, 0 square is 0 plus 1 square is 1. So we get 1 equal to 1. Now also we are left with the 2 options. If we are left with only one option, we will tick that. Otherwise, we will put the next point. Let's put 0 minus 1. So we put x equal to 0 here. We get 0 minus 1 whole square, that is 1, plus minus 1 whole square, that is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 equal to 1? No. So now I am left with only one option. This has to be correct. So we can just put the values and see the equation which is satisfied by all 3 of them is the correct option. Next we will do equation of circle in the diameter form. So let x1, y1 and x2, y2 be the end points of a diameter of a circle. What is diameter? Diameter is on a circle is any line which passes through the center and touches the circle at 2 points is called diameter. So if we are given end points, that is this point and this point, then equation of circle is given by x minus x coordinate of first point into x minus x coordinate of second point plus same with y. Y minus y coordinate of first point into y minus y coordinate of second point equal to 0. Let's see example. Diameter of a circle has endpoints 1, 3 and 3, 1. Find the equation of the circle. So clearly first point is x1, y1, that is 1, 3. And second point is x2, y2. You can take anyone as first and anyone as second point. Answer will be same. 3, 1. So equation of circle is, that is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Solving this, we get x square minus 4x plus 3 plus y square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation of a circle having the diameter which has the endpoints 1, 3 and 3, 1. Now let's do MCQ based on this. Diameter of a circle has endpoints 1, 3 and 3, 1. Now we have to find its center only. So we know that center is the midpoint of the diameter. So one way we can just find using these points equation of circle and then we can find center from that equation. So as we have found equation, that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. So from here center is minus of coefficient of x by 2 minus of coefficient of y by 2, that is center is 2, 2. But we can use another method also, that is center is the midpoint of diameter. So we can use the midpoint form. Midpoint is given by 1 plus 3 by 2 comma 3 plus 1 by 2. That is x coordinate plus x coordinate by 2, y coordinate plus y coordinate by 2, which will give us the same answer, that is 2, 2. So you can choose any of the methods. Next, diameter of a circle has endpoints 1, 3 and 3, 1. Then we have to find its radius. Again, we can find radius by finding first of all equation of circle and then using the formula square root of g square plus f square minus c. But it will be a bit lengthy method. So the smaller method is diameter of the circle has endpoints 1, 3 and 3, 1. So we can find distance between these 2 points, that is square root of 3 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. This is from the distance formula that we have done in straight lines. That is square root of 3 minus 1 whole square, that is 2 square, 4. 1 minus 3 whole square, that is minus 2 square, 4. So this is square root 8 or 2 square root 2. This distance is actually the length of diameter and radius is half of diameter, 1 by 2 of diameter. That is 1 by 2 into 2 square root 2. So answer here is square root 2. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.